But very interesting topic from the learning perspective. And if I look at it, since we have been there in the market for almost 2 decades, started learning very late. जब स्कूल से निकलने का टाइम आया तब पढ़ाई चालू की. तो but still, it's very early that we have started learning. So little bit about WD GAN. Most of it will be covered by Mr. Sinha. It's a technique designed for studying price and charts. The life of all the analysts surrounds around the price and charts. So it's a technique again. And he believed that specific geometric patterns, mathematics, statistics and geometry, they are very integral part of the science. And financial engineering is that only. So one parallel example if I take, with my son I had been to Jantar Mantar in Delhi. So when we were just entering the Jantar Mantar, then there happened to be an old person who was a guide. He said, guide kar lijiye. And since our childhood we have been to Jantar Mantar, guide kar lijiye, isme kya dekhne ka yaar, to bada boring concept hai. My son is after my life, that's why we are just getting into it. फिर भी चलो गाइड कर लीजिए, क्या लोगे 50 रुपये, अच्छा ठीक है. We hired him. We'd hired his professional services. And the moment we entered Jantar Mantar, I tell you, in the very first 2-3 minutes, the information which he gave us was absolutely stunning, I tell you. He said this Jantar Mantar was made by Savai Madho Singh. And Savai Madho Singh, why he was designated as Savai Madho Singh? Because he was astrologist. And he had expert knowledge of astrologist. And after obtaining 100% knowledge of astrology, he gained 125% knowledge of astrology. And that's why he was designated as Savai, 125%. So it's very, very essential, I tell you, that how deep you want to go in learning and studying the structures. So geometry was his specific theme, which he said that he believed that specific geometric patterns and angles. So today when we'll be just learning through the presentation, so geometry and angles, these are the two most critical aspects of GAN. Again, reoccurrence. History repeats is still the basic premise of technical analysis, from which we can be centric. To predict the price chart, yes, this is also a forecasting technique, that if you need to forecast the market, then there are very few techniques with the help of which you can focus the market. GAN is there and Elliott is there. So depending on what exactly you want, which suits your temper and health, you can follow the technique. Again, what is required to be maintained? Balance. Because maintaining balance in market is very essential. Every system works, but if you are able to maintain your neutrality in the market and then see the markets before trading it, it is to your advantage. So ideal balance between price and time exists. The reality is that GAN says it exists. And in a very simplistic manner, he says, within a degree of 45 angle of excess, that if you have to step up the ladder, because emotions are trading the markets, and if you see the world over in which angle the ladder is placed, it's 45 degrees. It's practical for throughout the world for everybody to move up at a 45 degree, and that is the sustainable angle. Again, mentioned in the GAN theory. Again, the fans, to make the life very easy, this is a wonderful tool. The square of 9 and fans GAN has made. So, wonderful concept to learn. And today, Shamalji will be actually taking up the session. I still remember, he's wonderful, his knowledge is great. And I still remember the session, which last session I had attended was in 2010 somewhere, where clearly, I think it was somewhere September, clearly he had said that on the forecasting technique that yes, market has to go up, but market will not go up from here. It will correct and then the tezi will come. So the theme is very good, the subject is very good, and it's an advanced subject. First of all, it's not a simple subject. Like Elliot, it is also advanced. It requires very patience to learn. And advanced subjects, yes, difficult to learn. There are very few people who can have the courage to teach you in a structured manner. And yes, this learning is expensive. We were just discussing.
Good morning, everybody, and I welcome you all to this seminar. Very frankly speaking, I would ask you which language I should start, English or Hindi, or both will do, because that is the what demand I get in Mumbai and other places that we speak in Hindi. So Hindi will okay? Hindi is okay with you? Okay. सबसे पहले मैं अपना परिचय दे दूं आपको ब्रीफ में. मेरा नाम श्यामल रंजन सिन्हा है. Basically, electrical engineer, passed out in 1986 from RE College, Durgapur, which is in West Bengal. Like सुनने में आश्चर्य लगेगा इंजीनियर का क्या काम है स्टॉक मार्केट में, पर दिस इज हाउ कैसे शुरुआत हुई जर्नी थोड़ा सा ब्रीफ में बता दूं. पास आउट करने के बाद मैं दिल्ली आ गया जॉब के लिए. आई वॉज वर्किंग इन ए मल्टीनेशनल फर्म शेंक एवरी लिमिटेड, वो बैलेंसिंग मशीन वगैरह बनाते थे. आई वॉज देयर एज सीनियर इंजीनियर. वहाँ काम करते करते कुछ मैंने एक दो कलीग थे, उनको देखा कि वो कुछ ग्राफ पे काम करते थे और मैनुअली, वो भी क्योंकि उस ज़माने में मैं आपको बताऊं कंप्यूटर नहीं आया था. 386 486 वर्जन कंप्यूटर हार्डली अवेलेबल था कंप्यूटर की इतनी, और इंटरनेट तो बहुत दूर की बात थी. तो मैंने पूछा ये क्या है. उन्होंने कहा दिस इज़ टेक्निकल एनालिसिस. मैंने कहा अच्छा किस चीज़ की है. एज ए इंजीनियरिंग स्टूडेंट मेरा इंटरेस्ट हुआ कि भाई ग्राफ तो हमने इंजीनियरिंग में भी देखे थे, क्या चीज़ के ग्राफ है. उन्होंने कहा इससे स्टॉक मार्केट का पता चलता है. फिर मैंने पूछा अच्छा ये क्या सिस्टम क्या है, इसका नाम क्या है. उन्होंने कहा इस सिस्टम का नाम है WD गैन सिस्टम. मैंने कहा ये कौन है. आज की डेट में मैं आपको कहूँ WD गैन क्या है, आप तुरंत गूगल पे सर्च मारोगे, आपको कम से कम 10,000 वेबसाइट मिलेंगे. मैंने उस समय ये ऑप्शन नहीं था. मैंने पूछा ये कौन है गैन. तो उसने बताया कि ये वर्ल्ड ने ओरिजिनल टेक्निकल एनालिस्ट अगर कोई हुए हैं तो वो है WD गैन, उसके बाद ही कोई आए. तो मैंने कहा इनकी क्या खासियत है, इनके बारे में बताओ और टेक्निक्स बताओ, क्या ये टेक्निक्स आप कर रहे हो. बोला टेक्निक्स हमें नहीं पता, मुझे किसी ने सिखाया था, मैं उसको फॉलो करता हूँ तो कई बार ठीक लगता है. मैंने कहा नहीं, अगर चीज़ सीखनी है तो पूरी सीखनी चाहिए.